Hello, YouTube friends and family. I'm coming to you with a quick Target haul. I was near Target and I went in. That's how my life works because I have no Targets within 20 minutes of me. So it's a distance. But I'm going to tell you today how you get meat for 75% off. So stay till the end. This is how I get discounted groceries. So stay till the end. So we have garden salad. That was $1.99. We have coleslaw. That was 99 cents. Not a bad price for the Target. These little snack packs, they were 50% off. Now I had to find expired July 31st and hand it to the guy that was doing the rotation. I was like, this should have been gone. Because it's September, the 4th today. Okay. So these were on half price for $1.39. So a good little quick lunch snack. They do have the Chobani to-go yogurts. They are $1 if you buy 5. Otherwise, they're $1.39. So, of course, I bought 5 of them. I have some granola over here to make a quick snack. And then I went to the dollar spot. Also, my coffee lovers, they do carry the Nespresso. The Nespresso pods. I wanted to try this caramel Starbucks. We'll try. I haven't had a good experience with the other Starbucks pod, but I'm still going to give it a try. And it was there and I didn't have to order it online. So this is a dryer sheet holder with a big magnet on the back. It was $5 in the dollar spot, but you can also use this for your dust cloths. I keep those in my laundry room, so I was going to stack them in here or use it for its intended purpose. I said I'll bring it home because it's 2 ways to use it. Now, if you've been buying the air fryer liners, this is supposed to be a permanent, Okay. This is supposed to be a permanent air fryer liner for $3. So we'll see. And it says dishwasher safe. So you can use it, drop it in the dishwasher, $3. So they had this in a blue. They had a collapsible one in the blue also. So this right here, get it out the bag, is the cutting board. So this is a cutting board with a lip. So you would actually it's a prep board and it's dishwasher, food safe, blase, blase, blase. So basically you just slide it onto your counter. So yes, you slide it onto the counter and you can use it as a cutting board, prep board. And I do need to purge some cutting boards and updating that area of my life. So here is the meat deals. So here's the strategy. Go to the stores first thing if you can. I understand we all got jobs, but some people work a weekend day and have a weekday off. Make that your grocery shopping day. Make a counter in your head meal plan or write down a meal plan. Take survey of your cabinets and then go to the meat department with first thing in the morning. I don't think I shared it, but I did this last week at Aldi. 50% off all the packs of ground beef. And I was getting ground beef for I got 10 hamburgers for $5. So it was like, that was 3 meals for us. Actually, dinner, lunch, dinner for us. Because we're a household of 2. And my second can eat. Okay? But this was half off. $4.39 for some marinated chicken thighs. Plenty for us. Then we had burgers. So we really liked having burgers. It was an easy Friday night fun, Saturday fun. And if you go through a drive-thru and buy burger combos now, you're not getting out of there under $10. And sometimes 12, 13, 14, 15 for hamburgers, fries, and a soda. not working in this. And I'm seeing these drive-thrus empty, so it's happening. Y'all feeling it. Y'all understanding. Y'all doing the math. So these were $3.75, regular $7.49. And this is a 4-pack. Perfect for us. Because sometimes I just want a double cheeseburger. Sometimes he want 2 separate single burgers. So however we work that, that's one meal. So I got 2. I don't know why she gave me all these doggone bags. You know what? I should have I need to start carrying reusables. So I got 2 of the $3.75. Half off. Then these are the seasoned burgers. So these are bourbon black pepper burgers. They were regular $10. $3. And it is 4 burgers in here too. 4 each. Quarter-pound burgers, because it's 1.33 pounds. Quarter-pound seasoned burgers. So even if you ain't got no seasoning, if you want to take them to the beach and throw them on the grill, on the little beach grill, perfect. I bought 3 packs of these. I think I cleared these. I really do think I cleared these. Because, again, cheaper than a Dollar Tree. Here we go with that. Cheaper than a Dollar Tree. So I hope this tip helps somebody. I spent $55. But of course, this was a splurge at like $10.99. And then my 2 $5 Bullseye items. So this is how you do it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of meat in that $55. So I hope this helps someone. And as always, prep and pray. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life, and I want everybody to survive out here and succeed out here. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, ring the bell, hit that like button, and go watch some of my other videos, life lessons. This is the Lazy HOA Gardener, and I'm out. Have a wonderful day.